So we've arrived at the next, our final campsite. This is we're at New Year's Eve. This place is filled up pretty much. It's Harrison Bay State Park. We stayed here on the way up. One thing I want to show you is what I saw when I got out of the bus today. We're traveling in a Dirty Bird. I guess it didn't rain at all today, but just all the wet roads from the rain, little bit of rain they had, and the gunk on the roads, man, it got dirty. We just went and washed the car. It was covered. But yeah, it's pretty nasty. We're gonna try to find a truck wash on the way home and get it rinsed off, at least cleaned a little bit.